Hi guys, this is Digital Rakesh. Guys, a lot of people worry about that Google AdWords. So Google AdWords, what is a Google AdWords? So how we can create. So in this Google AdWords, how we can creating for in this ads, what are the different type of ads here? In this one, first of all, we come into this one. If any people searching for here, like they will be called any kind of search network ads. Second will be Google Map ads. And third one will be coming to the Google. There is a display ads. There is a display ad. And fourth one, your Gmail display ads. Your Gmail display ads. And fourth one in this shopping network. Like I am searching for Samsung mobile. This ad will be showing to the particular search network. Now showing for Samsung, and this is showing for particular ads. Any YouTube video we can play for here. They're showing for certain ads. Certain ads. These all videos will be creating for where? Using Google AdWords. So how we can start Google AdWords? How to create the Google ads on the particular platforms? What are the major important key points we can creating for Google Ads tutorials? A major important one, first of all, the campaign will decide by campaign, ad group, and create the ads. The ad group will be decided by the based on the keywords, based on the video, and based on your display ads, like sale by mobiles or any kind of things. In a previous, Google AdWords will be two things: Google AdWords and AdWords Express. Now they will convert into the smart campaign. This all will be given by the Google AdWords. First of all, we can go to the Google AdWords. In this Google AdWords, how we can creating for display or map or particular text ads in the using for Samsung. Here, these are all complete for overview. If you want any query, they will be supporting for this particular number Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Now I'm starting for channel here and the particular Google AdWords account. In this account, for sign up and setup is completely free. Nothing will be charged. After that, so my account will be hold on the complete the payment option. Here will be billing summary, business data, and conversion. Everything will be here. The campaign was created for the new campaign option. In this new campaign, the select campaign will be start the option will be here. Sales, these all will be goals. Are looking for sale purpose. Which campaign will be support? We can unzoom it here. Search, display, shopping, video, express and discover ads. This is a lead generation. Search, display, shopping, video, express and discover. Website traffic. You have to join for website traffic, search, display, shopping, video and discovery. If you come into display here, visit the site. Let's come into the brand awareness. Brand awareness nothing but they're only showing for two things: display and video. When people watch your YouTube anywhere, the video everything will be coming to part. This call will be awareness. App promotion. To increase the app installs, they only suitable by the mobile devices. And local store visit and promotions. This campaign nothing but local promotions. Local store visit and promotions. And the main campaigns are here: search, display, shopping, video, app, express, express, call to your business, visit your storefront, action on your website. And this is the last one. Which one? Local. Use Google My Business location. Use affiliate location. This is a complete will be here. There's nothing but we can promote only for Google, only for local my business. It will be showing for the in a particular option is called here. These all will be local business ads that will be here. Drive store visit. to local business location with ads showing across the Google network, such as maps and search in automated campaign designed for business with many locations. If you create this one, the compulsory required for the your Google My Business will be approved the compulsory required. Last one, discovery ad. Discover nothing but create visually rich, personalized ads to the drive engagement with your brand across YouTube, Gmail, Discover and more. So coming to Gmail. YouTube already I'm showing for skip and non-skippable video ads. These all come into the discovery ads. Previous, this two will be called Google AdWords Express. But this two will be related from the Google My Business. Without Google My Business, we can't create this two ads. See this one. Create an image for the real Google Maps across here. Then select here, visit shop front, nothing but through your Google My Business. Action to your website through Google My Business. Call to your website through Google My Business. This all will be here where you can call in the particular express option. App promotion, app install, app engagement. Get new people to install your app. App engagement, get existing user to take action in your app. Two things. There is a app engagement, app install. Select particular platforms, Android and iOS, and enter your particular apps and start by the promotions. Next, search network, website visit, phone call, and app downloads. Search network will be support for website visit and phone calls and app downloads. Next will be display standard for the particular smart display campaign. Improve your performance with the simplified ad target and management. Standard display campaign. Pick your setting and targeting and have some automation option. Gmail campaign. I'm already showing you this is a Gmail campaign. This all will be. For the display, compulsory your particular website. In the website, you can replace for the YouTube channel also. Particular website you can add by the YouTube channel also. Shopping. When you have link with the Google merchant account, you can creating for shopping related ads. Like people who will be creating for kind of shopping kind of e-commerce portal, they will support for here. That is compulsory required for Google merchant account. Which one? Google merchant. Video. Customized video campaign, non-skippable, outstream, drive conversion, and ad sequence and shopping. In this non-skippable, you will be up to supporting for 15-second non-skippable. And custom one will be supporting for skip and non-skippable. They supporting for 6-second ads. If you learn more things, we'll click here. They give the complete informations, including for how we'll be creating for ad. So in this, I'm go for video will be I'm selected. Start the campaign. Custom video campaign. Continue. I'll show how is the creating for one campaign video will be here. So first we can write in for campaign name. Next, the video will depend for the CPB. So here complete 5 options are there: cost per click, cost per impression, cost per view, and cost per day, and cost per action. So this will be cost per view, nothing but cost per view, and cost per mile, nothing but cost per 1,000 impressions. So I will go for views. Cost per view, you will be charged. Viewable CPM, target CPA, and maximum conversions. There will be cost per miles and cost per action. Next here, require the budget. You can go for daily budget and start with the 500. So their panel will be here. To the complete fix your complete panels are will be here. That is called budget here. Next, the network will be showing for YouTube search results, YouTube video, and a video partner on the display networks. Who will be marketing your particular platforms? Here we'll be showing for a particular video on this particular option called is video partner and display networks. This will be three options. Next, which country? I'm targeting only for Hyderabad, suppose. Target it. Language. I'm not looking for all language. English. So there'll be only one English. The standard inventory. Everything is done. No need to change. Is the group name. I'm already discussed. You can creating for one campaign after group. After you can writing for keywords or ads. Demography. You can target by age people, certain age. This I'm targeting up to 44 years. So everything will be common point of view. Next, audience. If you are specific, any audience will be selected. I am selected by education. Here we will be selecting who are there in education. Select it. And any specific keyword you have to target it. I'm not targeting any specific keyword. Any topics, any specific topic you can target. This is a major important. If your ad will be showing for particular YouTube channel and particular YouTube video, video lineups, website, apps, we have target will be here. Suppose your ad will be showing to the particular app will be here. This will be particular apps will be shown to the customers. Your ad will be promoting for particular channel or anything will be here in this. Suppose I will show you my channel. This I'm showing example. Here is the my channel. So we'll be promoting for your video will be selected for particular channel and particular YouTube video also. Next. And how much your CPV budget for cost per view budget. Suppose people watching your video on view, how much budget will be decided? And decided by each view are deducted by the 1 rupee. So bid will be selected. Suppose 0. Tick mark will be done. So what we selected for 1. And create an ad. In this ad purpose, select any ad will be here. So what other video will be here? Copy, paste here. Skippable and video discovery ad. So where is the bumper ad is not activate. You say for bumper ad. The bumper ad is required for 6-second video ads. How many videos? 6 seconds. So we can go to YouTube, selecting for 6-second video. Yeah, I'm selected here. Yeah, what is showing for mobile is not eligible. But because I'm say if we 5 seconds selected here, it's showing for 6 seconds. So we'll go for better option will be go for 5-second video. Select it. See, bumper is not selected here. That is called small change will be here, then by above. That is here. Just scroll up, target CPM. Just scroll down. Or you can show in for bumper ad and the skippable instant ad. Just select here bumper ad. There will be non-skippable. Skippable will be skip ad. So, but I'm going with which one? Skippable and non-skippable. Non-skippable, how many minutes you can select? Not for minutes. It is only for second for non-skippable. Skippable more than 6 seconds or more than 15 seconds. Depend on campaign. The ad will show the customer by YouTube here. So just close it and select one video. When selecting CPM, selecting for bumper ad. Choose the video will be later 6 seconds. Skippable. The showing for skip. Here I'm changing for target will be CPM to CPV. My target only for not for impression. I had looking for view also. Click for CPV. And click for CPV. Here option. Skippable. Video discovery. Automatically here selected. Title and description selected. For skippable video, we have writing for final URL, display URL, and a call to action. We can add it. You can add by the mobile number on the particular YouTube channel. Video also will be added. They show how we can use a mobile and it will be desktop. This is on YouTube and Google partner sites. Google partner site nothing but which website is playing video. In this video also show your ads. The final URL we can give in this option. So here, what is the URL will be here? Final URL, display URL, call to action, add your mobile number and everything. Not required. Ad group, writing for your channel, Digital Rakesh, and create the campaign. The four option done. You target for 250 members will be the particular mile people will be targeted by here in this here. Check your ad. Ad will be showing for YouTube and Google video partners. You can check. You will be face problem. Finally, add your CPV budget of how much your complete use the daily budget. First, we can check the our daily budget here. Daily budget will be 500. So 500 daily budget. For view, we can give the 1 rupee. Views will be 5.3k to 12k. Based on your target, setting on daily budget, 500 bid of the 1 rupee, views and impressions, average CPV. The cost of average CPV, view by impression into 100 and the budget spending for 95% to 100%. So this is the way we can creating for any ads on the Google AdWords and promoting where websites and Google search results and Google map results, and we can promoting for other websites and YouTube channels, and we can promoting for on the particular Gmail ads to generating for leads on the particular business. So guys, this is the way we are to creating for map. Once creating map will be done, anytime will be start, anytime will be pause on the particular campaign. So what are my goal? I'm not selecting any kind of goals. The goals will be sale, awareness, website traffic. These are all your particular goals. Finally, continue to you finally campaign what is showing for eligible. So we can go to first of all this campaign option is ready. The campaign next will be ad group. After that, we can showing for ad. This is a way we have to creating for ads on the Google AdWords network. Campaign, ad group, keywords. One way. Campaign, ad groups, display ads. Campaign, ad groups, and video ads. This all will be given by the three platform search, display, and video networking ads. This all including for particular Google AdWords network. So this is a method we can follow to promote your Google AdWords and increase your views and getting for business leads. Any further doubt, please ask our channel and your learn more thing will be coming to my website in the blog option. I always support you for any doubts on the particular topic. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment, subscribe our channel and ask your comment for the any doubt. We'll make the video and clarify your doubts.